first thing we just came across. That is not sheetrock. They textured over the paneling. So before we start trying to knock this off and put fists through it and all that kinds of good stuff, ain't gonna happen. The question a lot of people have is, why would they put paneling and then texture over it? Because the sheetrock behind the paneling was just put in as a spacer, and in order to tape it, or in order to float it with a pattern like this, they would have had to tape and float it. The original house had paneling that wasn't painted. Somebody decided later to paint it. Then somebody decided to put texture, and if you notice, to do the beadboard, all they did is put trim on it. The paneling wasn't actually cut and anything worked on it, so it just covers everything up, and it was a cheap way of doing it. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.